what is next from Audrey channel egg opener. Select eeny miny. Eeny meeny miny mo. Kachataka in the door. In the door. Incy lincy. Let it go. Me, my, me, mo.
Which one? That's what?
Captain America.
Oh,
Show it to you.
yeah.
The back has no fingers.
Did you watch the Avenger movie with Captain America?
I only watch a little bit. I don't watch Avengers anymore. I watch YouTube. I watch other YouTubers. I feel like it's a ball.
Yeah, maybe. A bouncing ball again.
Because I shaked it.
Yeah, I hear the sound. It's a bouncing ball.
Yep, it has to be a bouncy ball. Yep. We got
Candy
a whole
again.
bouncing ball. Got more candy.
Yeah, you can give it to your classmate.
We got a Hulk bouncy ball.
Okay. And a sticker.
We got Marvel sticker.
And of course the fire.
And then, of course, we got the flyer. What the? Oh. Look.
What's that?
The
Oh,
how much points if you get all of these? You win! You need 35 points is the highest. So I get 4 is the highest. But we don't have that. We only have Captain America. So, bye. I'm gonna go slow motion. So, bye, guys. See you next time. Don't forget to press the subscribe button and give us a big thumbs up. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram.
you are Captain Audrey.
Because this punch you. I'm gonna, if I slip, yeah! So I need this first. Okay, so bye guys, see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give us a big thumbs up, like it on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. So if I do like this, this will be a bullet. I can blast it at you and this would fly away, but one already is on the floor. So bye!